Cleanliness and hygiene are essential to espresso machine maintenance. The Monte Carlo comes equipped with a semi-automatic cleaning cycle. This allows for the group heads to be cleaned thoroughly each time you use the machine. Make sure that you're finished making coffee for the day. Empty your portafilter baskets and then soak the metal parts only in a solution of cleaning powder and hot water. You will need to remove the portafilter baskets to do this. A small flat-headed screwdriver could be useful here. These should soak in the cleaning solution for 10 minutes. While this happens, we can clean the group heads. Using the continuous key, run the group until the water runs clear. Replace the basket in one of your portafilters with the cleaning blank provided with your machine. Into the cleaning blank, add one cleaning tablet or a scoop of cleaning powder using the back of a pulley calf brush. Insert the portafilter and press the clean button on the group. Then press clean again to confirm the cleaning cycle. This will start the program. And now follow the instructions on the screen. Partway through the cycle, you will be instructed to remove the portafilter. Do so and brush across and around the shower screen, ensuring to be careful as the shower screen will be hot. Once you've brushed the group, you will then be invited to press clean again to rinse the group. Then reinsert the portafilter fitted with a cleaning blank, this time being empty, and press clean again to rinse the valves. Once the cycle ends, remove the portafilter and wipe the shower screen and surrounding grooves with a clean cloth or paper towel. Again, being very careful as the group will be hot. Once your groups are cleaned, it's time to take the portafilters out of the cleaning solution. Using a clean cloth or paper towel, wipe away any residue in the handle and basket. Rinse with fresh clean water and inspect. Please don't use any abrasive cloths or scourers on the handles, as this will remove the Excelsium non-stick coating and make it much harder to clean them in the future. If there's still residue on the handles, repeat the soaking, wiping and rinsing process until clean. Finally, using hot water or a solution of detergent and hot water, wipe down your machine. If you're in the service industry, ensure to focus on contact areas using an antibacterial product. Then, use a clean, dry cloth or paper towel to wipe down your machine.